Hello guys, welcome to today's quick tutorial. Need to pay your taxes to the Canada Revenue Agency using the TD online banking in this year. I'll show you how to make personal or business payments easily. So before you begin, gather your account's number. For personal taxes, it's your social insurance number. For businesses, it's your 15-digit business number found on CRA notices per canada.ca. Ensure you have funds in your TD account and know the payment type: personal income tax, GST or HST, or payroll deductions. Log into EasyWeb at td.com or in the app. After that, go to Pay Bills, Pay Canadian Bills, Add Payee. Search CRA and select the right option. For example, CRA, which is Revenue Current Year, Tax Return for Annual Fillings, CRA then tax amount owning for past years, or CRA payroll deductions for monthly remitters. Enter your SIN or business number as the account number. I mistyped mine once, double check. After that, guys, you need to select Pay Bills, choose CRA from your payee list, enter the amount and pick a payment date. Same day payments are often considered paid that day. Review details, confirm and save the confirmation. Payments typically reach the CRA within 5 business days. Updating your CRA accounts in 3 days, says ggfl.canada. So that's pretty much it, guys. That's how it's done. Check your bank statement to confirm the payments. Pro tip, set up payments yearly to avoid late penalties by April 30, 2025. Guys, like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one.